Hey, I'm back, so this time I'm gonna do it spontaneously. I'm not gonna do a voiceover like I usually do. Sorry, the Zoom seems to be a bit crap and I don't have a lot of battery, so it might shut off, so I need to be really fast. I just had this aha moment this morning. I had a ring that I hadn't sold from a previous collection that I decided to keep because, well, I like it. And it turned out that I didn't like the way the system I was using. Yeah, I need to stop saying basically. I was just saying myself this. I need to stop using some words as verbal clutches, you know. So I will try to do my best to eradicate some words from my vocabulary and put some new ones. But to go back to the point, because I'm drifting, I had this light bulb moment when I tried something and it was just revelation. The best thing I find now after trying it and really worn it, I find this is by far the best thing I've tried when it comes to adjustable rings. That's why I thought it was a tip that might be worth sharing. If you would like to make adjustable rings, I find that this is the best way to do it, which is having one kind of sheet of metal that you cut to your desired length and thickness to, height rather. This one is 1 centimeter in height, and it's to make the ends overlap. So basically I said it again. So you have to use some extra length. So when you have to calculate the amount of metal you want to be using for your standard, what seems for you the standard ring size, adjustable ring size, add a couple of millimeters more. I would say 1 centimeter more. Just to be sure that you will have enough space to make them overlap nicely. And this not only makes it more comfortable to wear, but it will also be able to increase the size range that you will be using, that you will be able to use for the rings when it comes to the ring sizes. And if I had to do it again, I would take this part and the upper part and solder it onto the base of the cabochon, or right here, for instance, the pebble, to have not only a more pleasing, aesthetically pleasing look to it, and hide the fact that it's adjustable. So reversing, putting this soldered on the base, and using some extra metal just in case, because I didn't use enough metal, but it was just a try, but it turns out to be a great idea. So I'm going to show you shortly how it looks when it's worn. And really, especially with big cabochon, and I like big stuff, like I don't like jewelry you look at with a microscope, you know, like really small stuff. I like when it's pretty big and bling bling. So this was perfect because it works, it stays in its position, it doesn't move around, it doesn't swirl around, and it can hold a pretty big, heavy cabochon. And it's really discreet, and it would be even more discreet if we had soldered the base part on the bottom part of the cab. And yeah, I just wanted to share this quickly because it's something that I've came across right now, and I just thought, oh my god, this is great. So yeah, just a little tip on how to form adjustable ring bands and what are the most, according to me, it's just my humble opinion, you know, but what is the best option. So I will stop here because the cat is starting to meow and I have no battery, so I'll see you around for the next video. Bye bye.